Are you retired and you don't have any money? You're broke. And you look back at the years when your kids were there with you and you worked 2 to 3 jobs. And now here you are, you're retired or you're coming upon retirement and you still don't have any money. And now your kids are adults and have kids of their own, they have families of their own, and you don't have the money or the time to go spend time with them. And you're not able to go travel and make more memories and make up for lost time. I'm Carol Reve. I'm a 59-year-old grandmother, and guys, I get it. That's why I went all in on this blueprint, okay? Because it teaches me step by step by step how to have an online business, and I can have it from anywhere. And what I like best is it teaches you how you can do this with a 2-hour workday. So that gives you back your time freedom. It gives you back time to spend with your family, time to travel, time to make more memories, time to make up for lost time. So if that sounds like something that you would love, to have a step-by-step blueprint, and you don't need to know tech, thank God, because Lord knows I'm not techie. But you're given a pre-built system, and the company gives you a website, okay? So, like I said, thank God, because this grandma ain't techie at all. So if you would love to learn more, comment yes, and I would absolutely love to share this with you.